Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, we are going to see one amazing resume, and this is with respect to the recent feedbacks that I was making on various resumes that I was actually receiving. But day before yesterday, I received this particular resume and the resume format looks absolutely fine. The points that he has written with respect to the projects, the information, the skill set, everything he has actually written perfectly. Why I am specifically making this particular video is for everyone. Please try to use this kind of information, see the formatting, see the information that he has actually put up, and try to also make changes in your resume. Along with this, just one pointer on top of it is that whenever you're applying for a job, you really need to do a lot of fine tuning. Okay, so let's see. Now, the candidate resume that I'm actually checking is Ravi Jain. I guess his name is Rav Jain. Rav Jain. I thought it was Ravi Jain. So, over here you can see that in his resume, skills information is there, tools knowledge information is there, right? Education, training, and certification. This is fine. Apart from this, if you see on the right hand side, you have a separate section of summary, the work history, right? Like what all projects he has actually worked on. I'll go inside the projects. The points that he has actually written is pretty much amazing. And then he is also given about his personal work. Now here you can see that what exactly do I say in most of my videos, right? Skill set is definitely there. GitHub link is there, right? Summary is there. Work history is there, and his personal work is also there, right? Apart from that, if he has done any certification, he has actually mentioned in the last, completely in the last. Mostly he's mostly focused on talking about his specific work. Now see in the summary, he's writing 4.8 years of industry experience with 3 years experience as a data scientist using ML algorithm and computer vision, right? Over here you can see all the key points. He has made it in bold, which looks pretty much good. And point by point, he has mentioned entirely point by point. If you see his entire resume, his resume is around 2 page. It is fine. Okay. 1.5 page, 2 page is absolutely fine. So here you can see work experience and extensive knowledge in Python with libraries such as sklearn, TensorFlow, NumPy, Pandas. Use computer vision skills to successfully deliver automation projects. So definitely, if he's applying for any kind of computer vision jobs, he will keep his resume like that. Tomorrow, if he probably wants to apply for a deep learning developer and all, he'll make some kind of changes over there. Anyhow, that all things has been added here inside his skills. So here you can see one more thing, PyCharm, Visual Studio, and Jupyter Notebook. He's also written about the tools, about the, what kind of tools he's basically using for coding, integrated development environment, IDEs, different tools. He's written about that. That also looks good. Now, the most amazing and interesting thing is about his project. Okay. You see, guys, I tell you that if you are an experienced person, right? And you may be thinking, Krish, how do we come up with some end-to-end projects? Because we already experienced, even for a fresher who's recently joined the company or who's about to join the company. So what all things you can do? Over here he's written about one project. Probably he's done this from December 2020 and he's doing it right now till the present time. And he has written on information about this specific project, the roles and responsibility. But before this, let's go to the second project. Not second, let's see the third project. Over here, he's given POC. Understand, POC, proof of concept, right? And he's written this in specific work experience, right? Now you can also develop your own POCs, guys. Okay, probably you're working in the e-commerce industry, you're working in different domains, you're working in any kind of domain, right? In any kind of technology that you're working in. Try to see, after learning data science, can you apply that data science skills in your specific domain? If you can, then try to make a POCs and try to show this to your managers. Now see, he's done a POC. What I see that he is probably working in an automobile company. Okay, so here you can see that, so specifically automobile domain company. So here you can see that Jaguar and Land Rover, a computer vision project, is also done. And POC is written vehicle and number plate detection system, right? All the roles and responsibilities, analyze the stakeholder requirements. These all are common things. He has analyzed and he's taken around 4,000 plus custom images, performed annotation, data engineering and custom images, used OCR, model selection, got the accuracy, unit testing, and created the BI reports, right? On top of it, if you could have added, right, what was the main goal behind it, right? Why it was used, Probably it is going to use in some of the older system where we really need to automate some of the things, right? This will be helpful for the security purpose, something like that. Some more points in this particular POC. The goal is missing. What I see in most of the project is just wrote about his roles and responsibilities. If he could have added the goals also, it would have been pretty much amazing, right? The final goals. So he's done this kind of projects, point by point he's written everything, roles and responsibilities he's written anything. And suppose if you have not done any data science project, try to put a POC project. This will also add as an experience to you. Now he is written August to November. That basically means he took 3 months to implement this. And he has done it. He's probably shown his to his manager. If the manager approves it, it will go to the next stage. If it does not approve it, still you have the specific experience. You know what you need to say. Suppose if you work on an e-commerce website company, right? There you tell them, okay, I'm trying to develop a recommendation system probably based on this particular parameters. And later on, you'll tell the manager that I'm developing this as a POC and this is what is my idea. I can improve the recommendation system by this much %. Right? So all those things you can basically write, and that is what I usually say a POC project, proof of concept, right? So here you can see associate developer. He's also worked on project BI, okay, some amount of data engineering concepts, and he has also created BI reports. So Power BI is also good, right? So as an experienced also, if you write one project, which is the main project, and 2-3 POCs also, it will definitely work. Okay, and POCs should be really, you should be giving time for those POCs. You should definitely go and tell your managers, talk to them. Then only you'll be able to follow you'll follow a way to basically say in the interview that how you had approached this specific project, right? Apart from that, you can see all the points is with respect to roles and responsibilities. Some of the personal work, he's also said that he knows how to develop web application and web scraping. One thing I miss from Rav Jain is that he could had put up a lot of goals for all the project. He has missed the goals, okay, goals and all. Yes, he's written what all things he has actually used. He's even written Git repository, okay, and he's also written about BI report. So complete end-to-end solution he is wrote about each and every points, okay. Just if you add one goal, it would be pretty much amazing. Now what you can do is that, guys, please make sure that you refer this, okay, refer this particular resume, see how the format is, see how the content is, and also try to make the changes in your resume. Trust me, you will be getting a lot of calls. You will be getting, I promise you that, if you try to put this many information. If Rav Jain adds the goal, right, this is the perfect resume itself, right? So out of 1 to 10, if I really want to rate this resume, I'll rate somewhere around 8.5. If he adds goals, then again, it will be somewhere around 9 to 9.5, right? So please also make sure that you provide your rating for this specific resume by writing down the comment section. And yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye-bye.